Hi, I'm Sivaramakrishnan. Come on, let's draw.
Let's draw a straight line.
Okay.
Then mark the center. Then draw a horizontal line. You're going to draw a curve like this. Okay. Yes. And from here, another one. We have drawn the eyebrows. Now we are going to draw the eye. So from here, draw a curve like this. Similarly this side also. Sorry. To extend this line till here, then extend this line till here. Okay, so let's erase off that line. And then draw the eyeballs. Draw a line for the cheeks, and then here the nose like this. Okay, and then draw a line, curved line like this for the mouth. Like this. Okay, and then add a bottom small line. Yes, and then mark this point. Okay, from here, this point, mark a point here, similarly a point here. You have to extend this line, then like this, then you have to extend this line. Okay, and then the ears. We are going to bring it down, and then from this point that you have to draw a line like this. Okay, similarly like this on this. Another curve here. Like this, and another curve. Okay, from here we are going to draw another curve. Then another curve like this. And then till this point, see, parallel to this one, draw a curve. Let's rub off the lines here. Erase all these lines. Then let's shade the eyebrows also.
That's it. Hope it was easy and you liked it. Try this out and don't forget to share your drawings with me. You can use my WhatsApp business number. I would love to see your drawings. And wait, there's a bonus for you. I would be sharing you my Facebook group's link. It is a private group. I'm sharing my tips and tricks on how to draw and answering your questions as well. So if you're very much interested, you can accept the invite. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it and click the bell icon to get notified about my videos. And if you want to check out my artworks, you can search for Entice Art Studio in Instagram. Take care, happy drawing, bye.